Are you struggling to create a website that truly represents your brand? Feeling overwhelmed by complicated tools and high costs? Meet Pagecloud, the ultimate website builder designed just for you. Create stunning websites, pop-ups, and banners without any coding skills. Imagine launching your site for free, then choosing a plan when you're ready. With total design freedom, your brand identity shines. Easily customize templates and stand out from the competition. Track your growth effortlessly. Our analytics let you review visits, clicks, and form submissions all from a user-friendly dashboard. Drive traffic and boost conversion rates. Engage your audience with lead capture tools and custom forms that make connections fast. What makes Pagecloud unbeatable? Our easy process caters to everyone: small businesses, marketers, and agencies. Plus, no credit card or trial needed to get started. Join countless satisfied users. Pagecloud makes web design super simple and affordable. Ready to create your dream website? Don't wait. Get started today and transform your online presence with Pagecloud.